Well, we got a hurricane coming and I'm ready. This is my power kit. It's Pelican 1170 waterproof case. Inside, we have a Crave power pack. This is 60,000 milliamp battery. This will charge an iPhone 18 times. That's from 0 all the way up to 100. And then the most recent addition is this cable. This one USB-C cable has everything. It has micro USB. It's got USB-C, which can charge a phone or a MacBook. Lightning for the older phones and AirPods. And finally, the Apple Watch. So pretty much, I have everything I need to run my ship for at least a week in this little waterproof box. And this is the charger. 120 watt charger will charge this brick pretty quick. Yeah, go figure. Hopefully you don't need it.